Can't stay.
Snapping. Okay, hit someone on the back usually. Snapping. Snap. Oh no, not like that. Okay. What's that?
Sleepwalk.
Sleepwalk.
Sleepwalk. Verb.
Okay.
Slap.
Sub.
Slap. Slap.
Okay.
To
Strike. And let's read some. Please.
To hit someone or something with the front or back of your open-handed
Hand.
hand.
Okay.
She slapped his face.
Okay, can I spell it?
S-L-A-P.
Yeah, one more time.
S-L-A-P. Slap.
Okay. Okay.
Hit.
Okay. Hit is more snap. Snap like that. But here I think it's not like that. I think snap is not like that. Okay. Gently snap.
Slap. Press the hit on the back. Go.
What's the opposite of bad?
Bad and good.
What's
Good job. My son. You have solved the mystery. Who would have thought this goes crazy?
Good.
He was stealing his own rights and his sleep.
Okay. Let's read the question.
In which two ways does the king instead respond
Good.
when he needs hands
Good.
the truth about the thief? He
Congratulates.
He congratulates his son for solving the mystery.
Good.
He makes fun of himself for stealing his own coins. He still isn't
Insists. He still want to do that. Okay. Insists. I still want to do it. See. What's
Slap. Slap. Slap.
okay? Can I spell it?
S-L-A-P. Slap. Two hits.
To hit.
To hit.
Okay, just read this.
She slapped his face.
Okay.
Insist.
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 To
Demand.
that something happened or that someone do something.
Okay.
Insist. Insist.
Okay.
She insisted that I should go.
Okay. Okay.
I didn't want to go, but she
Insisted.
insisted.
Okay. He still wants something. think that's not this word. Insist. Okay. He still
insists that he was not sleepwalking. He
teases
teases the princess
Prince
for not
figuring
figure out the truth soon.
okay,
And which two ways that King Kingston respond when he learns the truth about the thief.
okay. Which two?
This one
Yeah,
and this one.
good.
Summit.
Yeah, good. Okay, and then we get a new story, a new drama. Okay.
Read the play. Happy Pizza cast of
Characters.
characters.
I think Marcos. Let's read this up. It is short. Marcos.
Marcos.
Oh,
Marcos.
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 Okay.
Marcos.
Marcos. Okay. Marcos. Okay. Anyway, I went to land.
Marcus, a 10-year-old boy.
Jordan.
Jordan is 12-year-old brother, mom, their mother, dad, their father.
Okay. Oh, so many people.
And
Aunt Carmina. I don't know.
Camila.
Camilla.
Camilla.
Camina. Okay.
Camilla.
Camila, which is named Camina. Okay. Camina and
Camilla, the boys and
travels. Don't know how to spell it. So many people.
Travis. Travis.
Travis.
wait.
Okay, in a restaurant, you see that's all wait. Okay, to serve the people.
Set descriptions. Set scene. What the inside of a family car.
Okay.
See to a pizza.
this. Insister.
Insist.
Insist.
Insist. Insist. Insist.
Okay. So this one actually very good. She continued.
She continued to insist that she was right.
Okay, yes, you continuously do that. Okay, that's called insist.
Insist.
If you don't do it, they still want that. Okay, that's called insist. Okay.
Parlor.
Parlor.
Parlor. Parlor.
Partner, pizza car partner.
A store or business that deals
Sales
as
specifies the
kind of food or
service.
and ice cream.
Partner,
Parlor. Parlor. Parlor.
A pizza parlor.
okay, I don't know. Pizza partner. Partner. Okay, they sell pizza only this store. I think it's pizza partner.
Parlor. Parlor.
Okay, spell it.
Parlor. A store.
Okay, store. Okay, pizza partner.
A pizza parlor. The
Dining
dining room is small. The wallpaper is
peeling. Okay, peeling. Okay, wallpaper is peeling. Wallpaper is peeling. Okay, you see? Yeah, like that. Peeling. Okay, it's some like some peel it off. Okay, peeling. What's
parlor.
Parlor. Parlor. Parlor.
okay?
To a store. A pizza parlor.
Okay. What's that? Peeling. No. Peel. Peel the banana. It's a verb.
Peel. Peel. Peel.
Verb. To remove the skin from a fruit. Peel an apple.
Good.
Peel. Peel.
Okay, spell
P-E-E-L. Peel.
L. Okay. The wallpaper peel is like someone peel it off. Okay, that's peeling. Peeling. Wallpaper is peeling.
The wallpaper is peeling and places there are a few faded
Good.
posters.
Okay, posters. A faded poster means people put it there for a very long time. The color is kind of faded. Okay. Poster. Yeah, let's make that a faded poster. You see it now it's a color. Faded poster.
Faded poster
Posters.
hanging on a wall. The floor tiles are clean, but
Worn. Okay. Worn is used for a very long time. Yeah, like that. You see, very old.